But concentrated technology bets the right strategy. Let's try and understand a bit of context out here. When the major US technology companies commit over $350 billion to artificial intelligence infrastructure in a single year with projections exceeding $400 billion for 2026, it raises a fundamental question about the investment strategy. Is the concentrated capital deployment the path to technological leadership, or does diversification offer better risk-adjusted returns? The numbers present a striking contrast. American tech giants have channeled unprecedented resources into AI-related infrastructure, drawing investments from other nations. On the other hand, China's AI spending by comparison sits closer to an estimated $100 billion. And on the surface, this spending differential might suggest a clear competitive advantage. Yet a broader view of technological investment reveals a different picture altogether. In 2024, China invested an estimated $940 billion in clean energy capital expenditure, encompassing renewables, electricity grids, and energy storage. This figure draws the AI investments from any other single nation and represents a fundamentally different approach to positioning for the future. So what we are seeing out here is two models of technology investment. The American approach concentrates capital in what many believe will be defining technology in the coming decades. This strategy carries potential for outsized returns if AI delivers on its most ambitious promises. It also reflects the structure of US capital markets, wherein venture capital and public equities have rewarded companies doubling down on the AI development. The alternative model spreads investment across multiple technologies with proven market demand: electric vehicles, battery storage, solar manufacturing, and wind energy. China now manufactures 70% of the world's electric vehicles and controls roughly 80 to 85% of the global solar production and produces more than 75% of all batteries globally. These sectors may lack the speculative appeal of artificial general intelligence, but they generate measurable returns today.